வெல்கம் டு ஈசா லேர்னிங். இன்றைக்கி நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது ஹிஸ்ட்ரி லெசன் த ரைஸ் ஆஃப் நேஷனலிசம் இன் யூரோப் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸ். இந்த கொஷின்ஸ் எல்லாம் ப்ரீவியஸ் 10 இயர் கொஷின் பேப்பரில் இருந்து எடுத்த கொஷின்ஸ். ஸோ எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தாங்க. வாங்க கொஷின்ஸை பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ரைட் ஷார்ட் நோட் ஆன் ஃப்ரெட்ரிக் சோரியா, பி நெப்போலியன், சி கிசப் மசினி, டி டியூக் மேட்டர்னிச். Second question, mention the steps taken by French revolutionaries take to create a sense of collective identity among the French people. Third question, describe the events of French Revolution which had influenced the people belonging to other parts of Europe. Fourth question, explain the features of the Napoleonic Code. Fifth question, how did the local people in the areas conquered by Napoleon react to French rule? Explain. Sixth question, why was the Napoleonic rule over other regions unpopular with some sections of Europe? Seventh question, describe the ideology of liberalism during early 19th century. Eighth question, a way of economic nationalism strengthened the wider nationalist sentiments growing in Europe. Which class brought this change? How did they bring about this change? Explain any two. Ninth, how did the Treaty of Vienna change the map of Europe? 10th question, explain the objectives of the Treaty of Vienna of 1815. 11th one, what forced the monarchs to introduce reforms in the society? 12th, explain the changes which Napoleon introduced to make the administrative system more efficient in Europe. 13th, explain the reasons for the nationalist upsurge in the 19th century Europe. 14th, what was the status of France as a state before 1789? Which two political and constitutional changes came in the wake of the French Revolution? 15th, how did revolutionaries spread their ideas in many European states after 1815? Explain with examples. 16th, what were the effects of revolutionary upheaval in France in 1830? 17. How did Romanticism pave the way for nationalism in Europe? Explain. 18. Explain the role of language in developing the national sentiments in Europe. 19. Describe the economic hardship faced by Europe in 1830s. 20. How did a way of economic nationalism strengthen the wider nationalist sentiment growing in Europe? Explain. 21. Explain the role of women in the nationalist struggles of Europe. 22. What is the significance of 1848 for France and the rest of Europe? What did the liberals demand? 23rd, what were the political, social and economic ideas supported by the liberals in Europe? 24. Briefly describe the process of German unification. 25. Examine the conditions of Italy before unification. 26. Describe the process of unification of Italy. 27. Write a note on Count Camillo di Cavour. 28. What changes came in nationalism in Europe after 1848? Who was the architect of this process? How was it practiced? 29. How did nationalism develop through culture in Europe? Explain. 30. Describe any three conditions that led to the formation of the British nation state. 31. Name the female allegory who represents France. Describe her main characteristics. 32. How did the Balkan region become a source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871? 33. How did the Balkan issue become one of the major factors responsible for the First World War? 34. Explain the conditions that were viewed as obstacles to the economic exchange and growth by the new commercial classes during the 19th century in Europe. 35. What does the term liberalism mean? What did it mean to different classes and people? 36. The first clear expression of nationalism came with the French Revolution in 1789. Explain the meaning of nationalism and throw light on the statement. 37. What happened during the year following 1815 when the fear of repression drove many liberal nationalists underground? Explain. 38. Write a note on Greek War of Independence. 39. How did the culture play an important role in Europe in creating the idea of the nation? 40. Why were the years of 1830s of great hardship in Europe? Explain any 5 reasons. 41. Explain the 1848 revolution of the liberals. What were the political, social and economic ideas supported by the liberals? 42. Nationalism no longer retained its idealistic liberal democratic sentiment by the last quarter of the 19th century in Europe. Analyze the statement with examples. 43. Otto von Bismarck was the architect of German unification. Explain. 44. Describe the process of unification of Britain. 45. With reference to Scotland and Ireland, explain how British nationalism grew at the cost of other cultures. 46. In Britain, the formation of the nation state was not the result of a sudden upheaval or revolution. Validate the statement with relevant arguments. 47. How did nationalism and the idea of nation state emerge? Describe. 48. How had the female figures become an allegory of the nation during 19th century in Europe? Analyze. 49. Describe the explosive conditions that prevailed in Balkans after 1871 in Europe. இவ்வளோதாங்க. ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் உங்கள் கொஷின்ஸை போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், கண்டிப்பாக ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.